Hi you guys, so today I'm making cinnamon rolls and I have this baking pan and I'm going to turn the oven on 350 degrees. I have some vegetable oil, the spray one. I'm just going to spray the pan. It's smoking. Okay, guys, this is the scariest part. Opening it. Right here. My nails are short, so it's kind of hard. I got it. Oh yeah, the oven is on. Okay. Just gonna put them, separate them, make sure they're not close. Okay. One more. Okay. Icing. Okay, so here I have them separated and I'm gonna put them in the oven. I'm not gonna set a timer. I'm gonna just keep checking on them. 4:44, and I'm gonna come back and tell you guys what time it is when they're done. While the
Kool-aid.
Kool-aid. While the cinnamon rolls is baking, I'm gonna make Kool-aid.
Say we haven't said no to we haven't said.
Okay, we have to choose from a flavor. We have blue raspberry lemonade, watermelon, tropical punch, grape,
And some pineapples.
orange, or lemonade. So, me, I'm choosing this one. Blue raspberry lemonade. This one is the best one. Press record. Then pour some water on in here. Okay, that should be enough of water. Because I still gotta add the sugar. Gotta get the sugar away. Okay. I gotta open it. Okay. Got the measuring cup. Now I'm gonna fill it up to 2 cups.
Yep, 2 cups, babe.
Okay. 2 cups. Wait. Now let me add in the sugar. And mix that together. Okay. Now the Kool-Aid. Okay.
Look at this. I'm not squeezing it, it's just like
Make sure it's all the sugar and the Kool-Aid is dissolved. Okay. It's 4:59 and I just took them out. They was in there from 4:44 to 4:59. Got a spoon and the icing. Now I'm gonna just spread it. Just ignore that. Okay, now I'm gonna just spread the icing on all 8 cinnamon rolls. You guys comment down below what's your favorite dessert. Mine is banana pudding. Make sure all of them have icing evenly. Okay. Here's how they're looking so far. You guys can really tell. I'm gonna record them up closer in a minute.
Yeah. No, Mira's going. She didn't eat. Oh, she saying she mad, but man. So you have to go. Baby, I'm not dead.
Okay. Wait, this one need a little bit more. Okay, now I'm gonna show y'all closer. Here's how they look. Very delicious. Thank you for watching. Bye.